Hello, this is Lucas, and in this video I'm going to be going over the between operator in MySQL. So I have a basic table created here, so let's just do select all from person. It's just a basic table with a few rows. So now we're going to be selecting between two values in this table. We'll choose the column age, because it has numbers. It'll be a bit easier to demonstrate. So what we can do is we can do something like select. Now I'm just going to do select all from person, but then we add in where, and then we need to specify what column. So we're going to do age, and then we can use the between operator. So we do between, and then we just do it between two numbers. So we are selecting all the records from the person table where age is between, let's say we'll do between, I don't know, 20, we'll do 25 and 32. Well, we need to do and 32, okay? And just like that, it's going to select all the records that the age is between 32 and 25 and 32. So you can see we don't actually check or we don't actually get this 41, and we don't get this 24 because they're not in between 25 and 32. You can also use not, okay, not between. So we just had a start, and this is going to just get the complete opposites. It's going to get all the values that age is not between 25 and 32. So you can see 41 and 24, they're not between 25 and 32. So this is completely fine, okay? Now we can actually combine this with the in operator, okay? So let's just bring that back in. So we are doing select all from person where age is not between. Let's do between, right? So where age is between 25 and 32. So it's going to be these three records here. But now what we can do at the very end, we can do something like, I don't know, and then we're going to do ID. You can see here we have ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can do and ID. Not in, and we can put in here like 1 and 2, for example, and you can see we're only going to get one record because what we are doing now is we are selecting the ages between 25 and 32, and the ID is not 1 or 2. So you can see before we had these two records, their ID was 1 and 2. But now after we've done this, we only get this one here because ID is 4, so it's not 1 or 2, and the age is between 25 and 32. So we can also use text. It doesn't have to be just numbers. So let's do this again. Let's do select all from person. First, let's print out this table. So we can also use, let's just use row, for example. So we can use the between operator for these rows as well. So what we can do is select all from person, okay, where row between, and then we can just add in two values in here. So we'll just do barber, and we'll do software. Oh no, we'll just do personal trainer. You can see we only get 4 of these. The reason is we look for the very first character in an alphabet. Okay, so you can see B, so it goes A, B, C, D, E, F, and all the way. And S is after P, so it's not in between B and P, so that's why S does not get included in this. Okay, and we can use the same as in not in, okay, or not between, and we can use the same on like dates and any other date type at all. But that's about it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.